GH for STEM Juneos Challenge. From the Katamanso Municipal Assembly in the Greater Accra region of Ghana, we have junior scientist GODSWAY ADDO. GODSWAY is a student at ZENU KKMA number 4 JHS, and she would demonstrate how to prepare some litmus paper. The materials she will need for this experiment include some empty bowls, a water bottle, a hibiscus flower, which is also known as sobolo flower, a plain white sheet of paper, and some lime. Now let's see what happens. Other plants like beetroot and red cabbage can also be used. Litmus paper is used to check whether a substance is acidic or basic. Litmus papers are usually red or blue. The hibiscus used to make our litmus paper is simply our natural dye solution.
Pour 25 milliliters of water in the empty bowl. You fetch 3 tablespoons of the hibiscus flower into the water
to ensure an even mixture.
Allow it to settle down.
This will make the red color dissolve completely into the water.
You get your white sheet of paper and cut it into strips. After that, you get an empty bowl and strain the mixture into it.
This is to remove any unwanted particles.
You get 3 pieces of lime and cut it into 2.
Be careful when using the knife.
And squeeze the juice into the hibiscus mixture.
This is done to make sure the paper strips trap or absorb the color.
Because the sobolo is not harmful, I can pick it out with my hands.
Now we have our blue litmus paper. Let's see how we can make some red litmus paper out of it.
So you cut a lime and squeeze the juice out of it into a bowl and dip the blue litmus paper in it for a second. Remove and dry.
Amazing! We have our red litmus paper.
We now want to use our red litmus paper to test for substances which we don't know whether they contain acid or base. You take a portion of the red litmus paper and dip it into the lime juice. You could see that the red litmus paper has no effect in lime juice because the lime contains acid.
Let's see if wood ash contains acid or base.
Take a portion of the red litmus paper and dip it into the wood ash mixture.
These demonstrations show that red litmus paper turns blue when dipped into a basic solution, but remains red when dipped into an acidic or neutral solution. For example, water.
We can apply this in the fields of medicine, food processing, water and sewage, and companies that uses acid and base in their production. This also can be used in our various homes when you are not sure of a substance that you want to consume. I'm Selassie Afi Doleti from ZENU KKMA Junior High Secondary. I'm the science teacher.
Another life application is when checking soil acidity in the agriculture sector. Since most crops require specific acidic conditions to grow well. It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. Which of the following will turn red litmus paper blue? A. Coca-Cola drink. B. Yogurt. C. Liquid soap. Now, what do you think of this experiment? Cool, right? You should try this at home. either by yourself or with your friends from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.